and welcome to Scott's Garage. You know, when you're out camping and, in the evening around a bonfire, there's nothing better than to have fresh popcorn. And there's really no other way to get that. I mean, you could bring microwave, and if somebody had a motorhome or something with a microwave in it, you could microwave the popcorn. You could bring like bagged already popcorn, but there's nothing that beats fresh popcorn. So the only really way to get that is with Jiffy Pop. But the problem with Jiffy Pop, especially if you have a big bonfire that's really hot, is they have this little teeny handle, and you have to hold it, and so you're wrapping things around it, whatever. And anyway, I came up with a few years ago something we call the Jiffy Pop Handle 9000, and we were just in Camp Pendleton last night with some friends, and we made some Jiffy Pop with that, and it's working great. And they were going to stay for a few more days, and they were like, well, we want to make Jiffy Pop the next day, so we need to keep. So I said, you know what, just keep that one. I'll make another one. And I thought this could be kind of a cool Scott's Garage of like, how do you make a Jiffy Pop handle that you can take camping, and you're not going to burn your hand while you're making Jiffy Pop. So it all kind of starts with just a piece of wood like this. Just anything, any piece of wood, doesn't really matter. This is 1.75 by 3/4 by, like, I don't know, 24. So 2 feet, like a 1 by maybe 2 inches wide by about 2 feet long. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just kind of relieve the corners a little bit, sand it on my belt sander here, and kind of smooth out so it's not just harsh corners all the way. And then where the handle is, I'm going to relieve it a little bit more so we have even more of a handle thing. And then we'll use this part up here to create something to hold the Jiffy Pop handle. All right, so now we have kind of smoothed out on all 4 sides, and we have a bit of a handle here. And let's go to the next step. So basically, what it consists of is an angle bracket. So if you're doing like framing work, I think this is a joist hanger or something like that. And so basically what you're going to do is we're going to screw this onto here. Then what I do from here is just bend this piece over, and kind of bend this piece over too, keeping a gap in there. You want sort of a gap to hold the wire handle. And that looks just about perfect, just like that. And the next thing we're going to do is put on this bracket right here, like this. And then we'll tighten this thing down right here. You know, I think I'm going to redo this screw here. There we go, that's better. There we go. Okay, so that's the basic thing right there. Let's go try it out. Okay, so how this works, you can adjust this and this a little bit depending on how tight you want it. You're just really going to take your loop, pinch it a little bit. I'm kind of pinching this a little bit, and it works right in there. So I think this distance is kind of critical. Let's measure that again, because it seems like that's 1.75 inches, and this bracket is about 1.5 inches on each side. So it might be kind of good to get that size bracket. Then you want to keep pushing this in all the way until you can get it into there. And then you have your, you know what, let's move this out a little bit. So maybe to here, so that we have a little bit of space. What I want is I want a little bit of space between here and there. So let's move this right about here. Okay, now we can use a hammer if we want. And then what I do sometimes is I come back with a screwdriver and I open up that bracket a little bit. Let's see if we can fit it in there just the way it is. Oh, that's good. Yeah, I like that better. Now we have a little bit of a gap there, and this is sticking out there. And we can even give it a little bit more. And then we're ready to cook some Jiffy Pop on the campfire. I think that's pretty neat.
I want to see lava.
Yeah, show us the lava.
Lava.
And once again, the Jiffy Pop 9000 handle is
I don't hear anyone.
working perfectly.
Premium pop every time.
Every time. Yeah, just
And we
My
just
eyebrows are like sinking.
open the top.
you gotta peel it.
Do you need me to peel it for you? Are you afraid of it? Here, I'm not afraid. Let me help you. I know you're afraid of it. You're trying to show how brave you are. Lily, you're so brave.
I'm so brave,
It smells good.
Mr. Woodward.
Wow, premium pop every time. That's
Okay,
impressive.
somebody try it.
All right.
Okay then.
A little burnt.
No, it's not.
Good?
100%.
Success!
Woo!
We put the suck in success. Yes.
Okay.
I could probably make a whole bunch of these pretty quickly. Nice handle, nice length, and you can shake your popcorn and it's not going to come out of there. And then once it's all done, you just pull that out, put in the next one, and I think you're ready to go. So anyway, I think that's pretty fun, and fun and easy little project that maybe you can make and not burn your hands while you're trying to make yourself some popcorn. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. I had a great time making this, and we'll see you next time on Scott's Garage. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.